All I could remember.
I even did a lovely beverage there.
Just ignore this.
Oh, video. Amazing. Is this your next posting?
This is, I have a YouTube channel.
Oh.
And it's point of view stuff, which is why I do this. So I'm doing I'm closing the pub point of view.
As opposed to I'm cleaning the toilets.
I mean, I'm getting cleaning the toilets, yeah. You've got to get all the gory details in.
Yeah. Very different. I know that was the whole thing. I mean, I would argue that after a while she pretty much bounced back. But of course by then she was older. I'm at the point where like, there was a point where she took down most of the pictures like it was very good. You know they're absolutely serious. Yes, Jack's not going to go early anymore.
Did they get you some McDonald's at least?
No, we're good for McDonald's, thank you. I wonder how many ended up sleeping.
Do you need your romantic lighting to finish your game? Thanks.
Yeah, I don't want to be filmed.
Oh no, I won't do that though. I mean, somewhere on the internet I'd probably make a lot of money out of it, but I don't know where that would be.
I thought about just live streaming the laboratory. Like seriously, I started writing the business plan. What could possibly go wrong? Like nerd salad, right? Like, I thought, like we do nerd stuff all day long. Nerds are on the internet all day long. Why not put the two together for profit? Like. Okay. We are not unrefreshed. We're not unrefreshed. Yes, I think she would. With CJ. Well, special brews sounds absolutely hilarious. Scars and special brews.
That should have gone there. That should have gone there. It's empty. Hold on, I'll tell the story.
Come out in the future.
No, that's fine. Those are empty. It's not complicated game
It was Mum's funeral today.
Oh, was it? How was it? I know that's a weird question.
It was fine. It was fine. We got there. I cried.
Yeah, obviously.
In my speech, and took about a third of the congregation with me.
Yeah.
But at the crematorium, I managed, because Mum was a performer and a singer and a composer, and I fixed up that when the curtains closed, at the end, when the curtains closed around her coffin, and we were all applauding, and then they opened to do a curtain calling.
No! That's incredible! No way!
Yep. Yeah. That was good.
Thank you, thank you. Oh, night night. I'll see you soon.
Night.
Oh, I know. Well, now I just got the pleasure of cleaning.
Everyone else in the pub.
speech was my mum accusing all the other Scrabble players of
Night.
Night. See you.
Tracy.
That happened. It's good. It's good. Thank you.
Tracy's cheating.
Oh, I don't know. I'm always going to side with Tracy, though, aren't I?
No, I'm counting first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3. Right, it's not finished yet. 1, 2 horizontals. 4, 5, 6.
So, here we go. So, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I thought you needed the loo. Are you good? Thank you. I can offer you a lost and grounded hells.
I think we've had enough.
You sure?
Yeah.
Or a pale ale?
Put it back in the fridge.
Don't need that. Right, do these lost glasses.
Leah enjoyed Harry Styles.
Oh, I bet she did. I shall hear all about it when I next see her. Shall I dustpan that?
Trace could do the rest.
It's not that bad, to be honest. Well, because we weren't busy, so
It doesn't need a mop though, does it?
just need a little quick one, yeah.
Yeah.
But that's fine. Not too taxing. That's the best way to be.
Yeah, I can let it
I don't want her to be.
My clean floor.
Oh no, sorry. But I need to get the also. But I need to get these to the other side.
This new mop is shit.
Oh no. Oh no.
All gone wrong.
Oh dear.
Has this happened to you before?
No, I can't say it has.
What, the mop comes...
Oh,
Wait, I'll work it out, Lucy.
do you need me to get a glove?
No, it's okay.
Or just use my fingers? Bo prefers Althorn Park.
Oh,
She-
park,
Yeah, it's a bit... And the rabbits are there, right? So she's obviously probably looking out for them.
Have you been angry and stuff?
I mean, I'm always angry.
And Alison to sort that out. What you went short for it.